Hello everyone, this is Munam from Make Web Better and we are back with another exclusive demo video on product reviews for WooCommerce Pro plugin. So let's start the demo video. So we are on the WordPress dashboard and let me show you how to install the plugin. So once you have purchased the plugin and got the zip file, so you have to click on plugins and click on add new. And here you have to click on upload plugin and here you have to choose the zip file. And here you have to click on open and here you have to click on install now. So as you can see that the plugin has been installed, now you have to click on activate plugin. So the plugin has been activated. As you can see that it has been activated, product reviews for WooCommerce Pro. So let's click on settings. So we are on the backend settings of product reviews for WooCommerce Pro plugin. So in today's demo video, I will explain you what are the premium features of this plugin. So once you have purchased the Pro plugin, make sure you have the free version of the plugin. So we have mentioned the link of the free version in the description content, so you can download the free version of the plugin from there. So let's start the demo video. So very first thing you have to do is you have to click on this toggle button to make the functionality of product reviews work on your WooCommerce store. So let's scroll down, and as you can see that the field allow customers to upload the video. So as soon as the admin or the WooCommerce merchant clicks on this toggle button, so it will allow the customers to upload the video of a particular product. So this will help the customers or other shoppers to get a clear picture of the product as uploaded by the other customers, and it will also help the admin to get an idea about what the customer thinks about the product. So whenever you want to allow the customers to upload the video of a particular product, so you can enable this functionality and click on save settings. So the settings have been saved. Now let's move to shop page and see how this functionality of upload video will reflect on the shop page. So we are on the shop page and let's click on reviews. So let's scroll down. So as you can see that the option is coming here to upload the video. So from here the customer can click on this and upload the video of that particular product and give the reviews based on that. So this is how the admin can enable the functionality to allow the customers to upload the video of that particular product. So let's again go back to the backend settings. So the next field is enable pin reviews. So from here the admin can click on this toggle button and then click on save settings. So as soon as the admin clicks on this field to pin reviews, so he has enabled this functionality, and then he has to go to the products and click on all products, and let's click on any of the product like Beanie, and let's scroll down. So as you can see that there are 3 reviews on this particular product. So from here the customer can choose any of the product and pin that particular review. So as soon as the customer has pinned that particular review, so that review will be shown on top in these 3 reviews. Like if I have click on this pin review and let's click on update, and let's go to the shop page and let's refresh this and let's click on reviews. So as you can see that the review that the admin has pinned, so that will be that review will be shown at first. Like as you can see that these are the 3 reviews, but the whatever the admin has pinned the review, so that review will be shown first. So this is how the admin can pin the review, whatever the best review he selects, so that will be shown on top. So let's again go back to the backend settings and let's scroll down. So as you can see that the next field is enable attribute reviews. So from here the admin can enable the functionality. So what will happen, so as soon as the admin clicks on this toggle button and has clicked on save settings, so the admin can decide to review his products on the basis of his attributes, whatever the product he has created and the attributes that he has created. So the customer can rate or give the reviews based on product attributes. So from here the admin can decide the product minimum attribute value like 1 to 5. So the minimum and the maximum value I have decided like 1 and 5, and here I am choosing the attribute to that will be shown on review form, like color I have choose and size. So on the basis of these 2 attributes the customer can rate or review the product. So let's click on save settings and let's go to the shop page. and let's refresh this, and let's select any of the product and let's click on reviews. So let's see, as you can see that the attribute is coming here like color and size. So on the basis of that, the user or the customer can rate the product, like it's going till 5 because we have decided the maximum value as 5 and minimum value as 1, and the attributes that we have selected like color and size. So on the basis of that two attributes, the user or the customer can rate the product like 3, and this I can select like 3. So this is how the user or the customer can rate your product on the basis of your attributes. So this feature of product attributes will definitely help the admin to enhance the review functionality on his WooCommerce store, and the admin will also able to get the clear insights of the customer, what he thinks about the product. So let's again go back to the backend settings and let's scroll down. So one thing more, in this premium version plugin, the customer can sort the reviews based on the product attributes. Like let's go to shop page, and as you can see that the option is coming as filter reviews by attribute. So if I click on color, so as you can see that on the basis of color, all the reviews are sorted. And if I select like size, so on the basis of that, all the reviews will be sorted accordingly. So this is how the user or the customer can sort or filter the reviews by the attributes. So let's again go back to the backend settings, and next field is disable user role from review. So in the premium version of the plugin, we have added the functionality so that the admin can hide the review form based on different user role. Like if I select like administrator and click on save settings, and let's go to the shop page. So as I have logged in with admin ID, so let's refresh this. So as you can see that there is no review form, and the message is coming as sorry, you cannot give review, because we have restricted that particular user role to post a review. So this is how the admin can restrict the particular user roles, and the review form will not be shown to that entered user role here. Like if I have selected like administrator, or if I have selected like customer or the other user role, so that particular user roles will not be able to post any review on your WooCommerce store for a particular product. So let's see the next field, that is enter ACF field group key. So for getting the group key, you can download the advanced custom field free plugin and add or create custom fields that can be shown on review form. So this will definitely help the admin to create interactive review form, and the admin will also get an option to add fields according to his store requirements that a customer can fill in the review form. So once you have downloaded the advanced custom field plugin, so here you will get to see the custom field where you can create or add new field. So let's click on add new. So let's give the title as suppose field 3, and let's click on add field. So here you can give the field label, like I am giving like here you can select like text, and next you have to scroll down, and here you have to select like comment is equal to product, and you have to click on publish. So let's go to field groups. So as you can see that new field has been created, and here is the group key. So simply you can copy any of the group key that you have created, like I'm copying like this, copy, and let's go to again to the backend settings, and here let me place the group key, and let's click on save settings. So now let's go to shop page. So we are on the shop page, and let's click on any of the product, and let's click on reviews. So as you can see that we are not getting the review because we have enabled the functionality that the admin cannot give the review. So let's go to the backend and disable that functionality. So let's remove this, and let's click on save settings. So let's again refresh this page. So now let's click on reviews. So as you can see that here the new fields are coming. So this is how you can easily create custom fields according to your business requirements, and here the fields that you have created will be shown here. Like I have used the field one that I have created. So as you can see that the type of field that I have created is coming here, like label 1, label 2 and label 3. So the whatever the names that I have given is coming here. So this is how the customer can fill up this form according to your customized review form, that the and fill the custom fields that you have created, and then click on submit. So this is how you can use the advanced custom field free plugin to customize or add fields in the review form. So let's again go back to the backend settings. So let's move to next tab, that is integration settings. So with the premium version of the plugin, the admin can integrate the plugin with Twilio. So basically with Twilio, the admin can send SMS reminders to the customers to share the reviews or feedback for your products. Also, the admin can share the coupon discount to users that will share review through SMS for the first time. So for integration, firstly you can register on Twilio to get the API SID and API token. So you have to click here. So from here you can register and create a free Twilio account. So let's again go back. So once you have got API SID and API token, so you can enter here and you can enable the Twilio integration, and here you can enter the sender ID to send message. So basically you can enter the sender ID here and click on save settings. So this is how you can easily integrate Twilio with product reviews for WooCommerce Pro plugin. So let's go to next tab, that is reminder settings. So we are on the reminder settings tab. So in the reminder settings, the admin can also draft the SMS that is sent as a reminder to the users. Like here when you will scroll down, so as you can see that whatever the content that has been that will be sent to the via SMS or in the review SMS. So here you can decide the content to be sent via SMS. So as you can see that I have written like hi, and I have used a placeholder for showing the customer name, and I have written like enjoying your recent purchase, please share your valuable feedback with us, and here I have used the placeholder as product. So here the product will be a product link will be shown to the customer, so simply he can click on this and review the product. And next here is enter content to send in coupon SMS. So the admin can also send discount coupons to the customers that reviews the product for the very first time. So here the admin can decide the content that will be sent as a coupon SMS. So simply I have used I have written the content like this, and I have used a placeholder of the customer to be so that the customer name can be shown, and here you can enter the coupon code that a customer can use whenever he will review the product for the first time. So he will get that particular coupon code. So whenever he will review, so this coupon content will be sent via SMS, and the coupon code will be attached to this. So after doing this, you have to click on save settings. So this is how you can customize or decide the content as per your business requirements, and add content to send in coupon SMS, and I'll also add coupon code. And one thing more you have to keep in mind, like while entering the content that has to be sent in review SMS or that has to be sent in coupon SMS, so the character limit is 140 characters. Only 140 characters are allowed in a single SMS. So like if you will exceed, like if I write like, so as you can see that as soon as the 140 character limit is exceeded, so this disclaimer is coming as this message will charge extra according to Twilio. So if you are writing like more than 140 characters, so the message will be charged extra according to Twilio. So this was all about the demo video on product reviews for WooCommerce Pro plugin. So if you want to watch the demo video on the free version of the plugin, so we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can check out the demo video on the free version of the plugin. So if you have any queries regarding the plugin functionality, so you can mention your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.